In this video, I'm going to discuss about what will be the output of the program. So at here, there are multiple choices. Here, k value is 16. Program doesn't compare k11, k17. So lots of people are confused between at here option A and D. So let's see first how's the program that worked. So at here, I've taken integer type variable I. So add here this is I. Now here initialize with 4 and here after j that initialize with add here 21. Now here so this is the concept related to pre-increment and here post decrement. So add here there is the k add here plus I. So when add here it comes first, so this is called pre-increment. That means first that increase the value here. So add here I value is now 4. So first that increase, so this is now become 5. And here after multiply and here 7 and here plus 2 and here j. So j value is now at here 21. So this point the j value is now that come 21. And when that go for next iteration, then the j value decrease. So j value become at here 20 for next iteration. So at here if you calculate this all, so at here according to math rule, so first is for add here or multiply. So 7 plus 5 into 3 that come 35. Now hereafter 2 and here minus 21. Now add here 35 plus 2 the value comes 37 and hereafter minus 21. Now here if you subtract 7 minus 1 the value comes 6 and here or 3 minus 2 the value comes 16. So that here the correct output is 16. So A is the correct output. Suppose if we include add here j again. So add here this is the pre-decrement. So first add here that value is now 20. Now when that go next iteration, so when that reach at this point the j value is now 20. Okay, so this is about add here pre-increment. So how first that increase and here post decrement. So add here first the value that do some calculation, after that decrease. So when that go next step, then at here 21 that decrease to 20. So let's check the output on the editor. So at here run the file. Here the output it's a display 16. So 16 is the correct output. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.